Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Maintaining equipment in the mining industry is crucial. But what are the hydraulic tools that can help get these jobs done more efficiently? First up, lifting large mining trucks for wheel and tire changes. Getting these heavy weights back into use without any hitches saves time and money. That's where hydraulic cylinders, jacks, and pumps come in. They provide the muscle needed to safely lift and lower these giants with power and precision. Next, let's talk about servicing rope shovels. These massive machines require lifting from multiple points to allow bearings to be inspected and repaired. Jack-up systems are the proven solution here, offering stability, strength, and accuracy to get the job done efficiently. Next, removing pins from excavators. Sounds simple, right? Think again. These pins can be stubborn. Hydraulic pin pullers make this task straightforward, applying precise force to release those pins with minimal hassle. Moving on to another common challenge, removing shaft-mounted parts like wheels from mining rail trucks, along with bearings and gears from other machinery. For these jobs, hydraulic pullers are essential. They apply consistent pressure, ensuring these components come off with minimal damage, without the need for hammering or applying heat. Finally, let's cover tightening and loosening high-torque bolts on heavy equipment. This is where hydraulic and battery torque wrenches shine. They deliver the exact torque needed, providing both power and precision, making sure everything is secure and operational. So, to wrap up, you can see that hydraulic tools can be game changers for mining maintenance, making complex tasks manageable and efficient. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us.